working for. That's when I say I install, man. Getting the Lone Springs done first. Then we're gonna do the lights. But yeah, man, this Jeep Wrangler is hard right here, man. I get one of these. This shit is like, that shit is hard as hell, bro. Hell yeah, fool. Look at this. You know what I'm saying? White. All them black tires up there. You watch this shit up, it's gonna be hard. And they got Rambo in here. That's y'all see the headlights, man. Got two. Y'all see, man. I'm on take off all fours. Take off the wheel, take off the back wheel. Already take off the springs and everything. And yeah, same thing on this side. He didn't take off, I don't think he take off the probably did. I don't know. But y'all see, man. Lone Springs on here. This shit gonna look crazy, bro. I already know it. That shit gonna look insane. That's the downside of getting a white caliper, y'all. And I get dirty super fast. You gotta go ahead and clean these. I'm probably gonna clean these like right now, bro. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm probably gonna clean these like right now. While the wheel is off, I might put my stick on here. I can put my stick on here today too. The red stickers. But I ain't gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that in a different video, man. So just stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and you're gonna see y'all gonna see the hardest track in the DMV, man. Nah, fuck that, nigga. Hardest track on YouTube, man. Hardest track on YouTube. What about? I see the Lone Springs, man. So these the old ones right here.
Those the old ones.
Old ones.
Okay.
Sure. See what he's doing, man.
Carros más nuevos, no sé, ese montón de carros viejos.
How low you think it's gonna drop it?
Dame un segundo.
How low you think it's gonna drop it? Like the Lone Springs.
Those the longers or the shorts than that?
It's short. It's supposed to drop it lower.
Okay, let me see. Let me check something.
Not a wheel.
Algo como lo único que sabes cuál es que la compañía que se dedicaba a hacerlo
You get me one of them drugs.
pero había un montón de compañías pequeñas De transporte no se darían.
Barmakı sertleri de açma. Yapacağım şu bakımat beni barmakı sertme bana geldi. What are you talking about, man?
No, pero es que mira, ¿sabes quiénes quebrarían más? Las compañías pequeñas. Las grandes compañías no serían mucho más como las compañías pequeñas porque, por ejemplo, digamos,
You wait till now.
si vos tenés un tren que cruce de Comayagua a San Pedro, por ejemplo, un café que sale de todas las montañas de Comayagua a San Pedro, y ese café
We got 2 more to go.
personas pequeñas.
Yeah, man, he almost done. He did all. He's already installed this one right here. We got one more left. See the badge, man. Stop playing. Are you doing the last one over there? I'm gonna shoot on this side. Ooh. Yeah, we're doing the last one. That's the last one left. Yeah, man. Side down, man. Y'all see them bitches up in there? Feel me? My boy done this shit fast. See them bitches. Them bitches low in there. Stop playing. Stop playing. Shit look crazy. That's good. I clean these bitches today. Clean these joints today. Shit look crazy. Perfect. Perfect. And it's gonna settle too. After a while, I heard like it settled, so it's gonna drop a little lower. Dang, y'all see the difference, man. Yeah, that bitch hard, bro. Appreciate it.
I can take lunch, man.
You want to take?
Take lunch, come back to
All right, that's cool. That's cool. Man, this joint look low as hell. Damn. Damn, this Jeep is so low now. Damn. Look how low my Jeep is, bro. That is crazy, bro. Y'all see that big ass engine, man. Stop playing. Look how low this Jeep is. It's like I'm taller than this Jeep now. Yes, sir. Stop playing. He better install the headlights next. We're gonna be done for the day, man. But look how low this thing is, bro. It's crazy. That shit's low as hell. Man, that bitch is low. What the fuck? That shit looks so much different. Man, look how low that thing is. That bitch look crazy, bro. Damn. It's a big difference right there. Yeah, man, everybody got our headlights installed. They got the headlights done next, man. But y'all see this bitch. Yes, sir.
He like Porsche.
As you guys can see, man, the Trackhawk is finally lowered the right way. You feel me? This is, I actually lowered a car on, when was that? Last Friday just passed. Today's Monday. I had to take the car back, y'all. If y'all don't know, the nigga that lowered the car, he's a good, like, he know what he's doing for real, but he just put the springs, like, the springs was in the wrong spot for her. Like, the nigga had the front springs and the back springs up front. So the car, I'll show y'all the track, man. Give y'all a little walk around the track, feel me? Look. Y'all see we got an RBG light installed too. SRT badge. But I'm gonna show y'all what he did wrong.